Okay, so I put on Pore Silk Wrinkle Minimizer. I was just going to talk today about what BlushSense does, because I feel like it's a pretty underrated product, because I just barely came from a makeup, big, huge makeup college, basically, all weekend, learning about makeup, because I did not know nothing until I went to this thing. So if you have any questions, hit me up. But BlushSense is not just blush. It's a liquid to powder substance that can be used for practically anything. I might even love it better than ShadowSense, which is pretty amazing because I think that's like my favorite stuff, even though I joined SeneGence to get hooked on lips. I got hooked on the lipsense like right away. But I think I might be in love with BlushSense. So each week, so welcome to Wow Wednesday. I'm going to do a new product every Wednesday where I can wow you with different products that SeneGence has other than lips, because I think that's kind of gotten old. I mean, yeah, it's an amazing product. It doesn't smudge when you kiss somebody, but I think as moms, we degrade ourselves to think that we need the cheapest thing out there, because it doesn't matter when it really does. It matters the quality of your skin. It matters you want to look just as good as you put it on that morning as you did that night, and SeneGence can give you that with their product. So I'm going to start out with blush because this is a session on blush. And so there are tons of different kinds of blushes, colors, different colors. There's Pink Berry, which I might be in love with because it is so pretty. Cherry. There are my favorite one, Chocolate Cherry. There is also Terracotta, which is an orangey, and that is gorgeous. But I'm gonna show Cherry. And maybe another time I'll show a different color and stuff like that. If you want to see a certain color of blush, I'm going to post pictures after this of each color of each color. And then I just put a piece of tape on the back of my hand so then I can put product without it coming off onto me. So I'm taking a highlighter fluffy brush, and look how little I put there. Like, it is hardly anything, and you're just gonna put it at the back and move it forward. Look how bright that is, and there was like nothing on the brush. So my foundation base was just a medium light tinted correcting moisturizer. And this blush, I only put like a dab. Like, I have a ton of product on there, guys, now. Dang, I didn't need that much. See how like one little tube, I mean, it looks like it's not going to last very long because in retrospect, it's pretty tiny. But look at how like color, like I actually have a lot of color right there. And I didn't before, so that tells you something. Now I'm going to take the rest of this and I'm going to mix it with denim to do the most gorgeous purple. So I've seen people have purple shadows, eyeshadows, and I was like, oh, I gotta get that. Like, SeneGence doesn't have that, but we do. You mix Cherry BlushSense with the Denim ShadowSense. See? That And you're just gonna mix them until it's the perfect color that you want. See? Because red and blue make purple. Duh. Right? I can't believe I didn't think of that sooner, that it would make the right purple for me, but it totally does. See, I might need a little bit more red, but let me show you how gorgeous this is on the eyes. I feel like I'm painting. It's great. Okay, so now that that's mixed, I'm going to quickly put a sandstone pearl base so that it pops even more on my eyes. So you just take the wand, and this is the sandstone pearl, not the sandstone pearl shimmer. And then with a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend that out. Okay, now I'm going to take the same fluffy brush and dab my brush into it. Look how pretty that purple is. And you start from the outer and flick inward. And this is all with the denim and cherry mixed on my palette. Pretty cool, huh? And you can do this to create sunsets on your eyes. You can do this to so this is with the cherry BlushSense and denim. And then you can do it on your cheeks for the cherry blush. I also have a bronzer BlushSense, so you could use that as your shadow, like for bronzing. I can't get over this purple, guys. It is so pretty. So now I'm going to use the silver violet. So this is the silver violet, and I'm going to cut the crease with it. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and there you go. Now it's ready for eyeliner. But I'm going to do the blue because I think that'll look really pretty for eyeliner. I'm going to do denim with a liner brush. If you like this purple, give me a 1. I am in love with it. Then I'm going to take a blend brush blend, 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 blend. To finish the eyes, I am going to use our Undersense and our LashSense. And this is a lash builder. It also moisturizes your lashes. That's why our mascara doesn't dry out your lashes, because of the Undersense. I'm gonna tone my brows. So yep, that's BlushSense. Pretty awesome. You can make gorgeous colors with the BlushSense. I'll show you more gorgeous colors coming soon. And I'll top it off with gorgeous LashSense in black brown. You take a comb and comb out the clumps. What do you think? Give me a 1 if you like it. Give me a 2 if you want to see more colors like this. I'm pretty excited with BlushSense because you can make awesome colors that we don't have with shadows. So, see ya, girls. Bye.